Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. My husband and I, we made it back from our trip to Seattle to visit my daughter and her boyfriend and her other roommate, and we had so much fun. And one of the things I did not realize that there was a Daiso. There's a couple Daisos in Seattle, and she's been living there for over 4 years now. So I really didn't know what Daiso was until probably maybe either early in 2021 or maybe towards the end of 2020. And probably more like this year, I didn't realize what Daiso was until I started seeing other people's haul videos from Daiso. And I was talking to my daughter and I'm like, hey, do y'all have Daiso in Seattle? Because it seems like it's a West Coast kind of thing. And she said they did. So I was so excited. We finally went, and I bought some things. Also got my daughter some stuff, so I don't have those. I think I took a picture of our whole haul video, but let's kind of jump in. First off, I got this cute little Rapunzel keychain for my granddaughter. She likes Rapunzel. She still likes Frozen, but she likes Rapunzel. And then I got these really cool, I have glue on my finger here. These gold paper clips, and they're kind of like a triangle shape. So I thought that was really neat. Can y'all see that okay? And I went a little crazy with the Disney stuff. So I got these little Winnie the Pooh. I think they're just little individual sheets. But I've been wanting to make a Winnie the Pooh. But they're really nice quality, thick cardstock. And they're just so adorable. Back in there. And then I got some Happy Halloween washi tape, and I thought that would be fun to put in my fall junk journal. Let's see, I think it has Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck. So I think that's really cute. Have you all ever been to Daiso? I was really amazed. It's such a nice, clean, orderly store. I really like that. Look at these cute little envelopes. I thought those were really sweet. A little food. These are going in my recipe cookbook journals. And then I got some more Mickey and Minnie Mouse items. These are little post-it notes. Thought those were cute. And we're going to Walt Disney World in November, so I thought it would be fun to get some of this Disney World stuff. And then these are just cute little bags with a little deer on them. I think those are really sweet. Isn't that cute? Little coin bag, I guess you call it. But I'm excited. I told my daughter, I said, I'm going to be sending you to Daiso, and you can mail me some packages from there. Here's some other just really nice chipboard note cards. These have kind of a sea theme, and I have an idea for these, a plan for these. And actually, one of these is for my daughter, so I need to mail that to her. I accidentally brought that home. And then these envelopes thought were really sweet with the gold on them. And they're all just really nice quality. So let me know, do you all know, does Daiso have a license with Walt Disney World? I'm really curious. Here is this Happy Halloween. It's a little garland. But I don't think I'm going to use it as a garland. I thought it would be fun to use these shapes in my journal. So we'll see. And they're double-sided, which I thought was pretty cool. So you got Donald Duck and Daisy Duck. I might hang it up. It's kind of cute. And then use it in a journal. But those are really nice. I really like those. And then they had these small, tiny little note cards. They had plain ones, and then they had lined ones. And I just thought these would be perfect and put in little tucks and maybe alter them and decorate them. And these were, I think they were, was it $1? No, $2, I think, or $2.50, something like that. And there's 200 of them. Let's see. Oh yeah, these were $1.50. Yeah, $1.50 for 200 cards. I thought that was a good deal. And then I got some more. This is another Disney washi tape. Y'all can see that very well. But it has the Mickey Mouse images in there with the flowers. Thought that was neat. Trying to make sure I stay in camera. And then this is just another washi tape, blues and greens and yellows. And then some more Mickey Mouse stuff. These are craft paper bags. But I thought that would be fun to alter those. Use those in journals. And then Alice in Wonderland. Also been working on a journal, Alice in Wonderland journal. So thought that would be cute. These bags. And then here's another Disney, and I love the color of this paper bag. Very cool. And then this one, Minnie and Minnie. And these were all $1.50. And then they had some papers that I thought were just gorgeous. I mean, look how pretty these are. Thought I can collage with them. Make tags out of them. But I thought they were just really pretty. 2 of each pattern. And I love that. So I thought those were really pretty. I think this was a origami sheets, I think is what they're for. So those were really pretty. And then they had this handmade paper, and my daughter got one of these as well. And again, it's $1.50 for these 10 sheets. Get this off of here. There we go. I thought they were really pretty. And they have just the little veining through them. The pink. It's almost a rainbow pattern. Yellow, different shades of pink, another white, some red. But they're all just so pretty. I had some handmade paper this color. Used it in my, I think my Peter Pan journal. But and I love this has a little gold, some gold flakes in a couple of them, which is neat. So I thought that was really pretty. Can't wait to use them. Well, it was interesting they had these packaged with these paper clips. Very interesting. But it works. It keeps them from getting all folded and wrinkled. And then they had this one, some more Japanese papers. Again, I think they primarily use these for origami. Thought these would also be fun to use in junk journals. Oops, sorry about that. But I just love the colors of all these. And these are a little bit thicker kind of paper than the handmade paper. But they're just really pretty. Some sort of a crane, I think. Bird. And then I think it repeats. Maybe not. Well, it sort of repeats, but a little bit different. And then, of course, we had to buy some candy. We bought some of those those hard candies. It's like a strawberry milkshake flavor. And then these are some ginger chews. And what's so funny about these is you can eat the paper, so you can just pop the whole thing in your mouth. We still peeled some of the plastic off because it just didn't seem quite right. But we have 2 of those left. Some of the other stuff that we bought, Andrea, was different organizational things. They had this one little bag, like almost looked like a shoe bag you hang on your door, but much smaller. Some other little umbrella kind of looking hooks for jewelry. Some things that help you stack your shoes, so you can store your shoes in a little bit smaller space. And just some other kind of little organizational things for her apartment. So we had a lot of fun. She had never been to Daiso. She had been to one Daiso in downtown Seattle a long time ago. But it was apparently a much smaller store, and I think it mostly just had kind of the food and candy and stuff. So this store, it's huge. So it was a whole lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. But they had a lot of really nice crafting supplies there. If you need, glues and scissors and things like that. So a lot of fun options. Had some cute Halloween decorations. And they have different food, ramen and things like that. We did get her a box of, was it green tea? I think it was green tea or oolong tea. Oh no, it was matcha tea. That's what it was, matcha tea. We got her a box of the matcha tea. So yeah, so we had a whole lot of fun, and I really like this bag too. I got this paper bag, so it might be fun to journal with that as well. Oh, and one last little thing. Forgot about this. These are cute little cat paper clips. I just thought those were really cute. They're teeny tiny. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. And yeah, if you've been to Daiso, let me know if you all like it, if you think it's good. And what do you think of the stuff I got? You think it's pretty good stuff to make journals with? Let me know. And I'll do a couple more videos on our trip to Seattle. I'm also going to be working in my journal that I made for our trip, and I'll do a couple videos on that. So you all have a good evening, and I will see you all here on the next video. Bye.